Golden Hot provides the perfect tools for the perfect you. Loyal to the diversity of hair, we provide a wide variety of quality styling tools so you can confidently style your hair exactly how you want it. No matter the style, gorgeous hair is the goal. The flawless possibilities are endless with Golden Hot.
Boutte Soul. Boutte. Boutte Soul. I washed my hair yesterday, did my regular curly hair routine, wash and go, whatever. I woke up this morning, my hair looked like this. That was a one-day wash and go. One day. Usually it takes my hair about 4 to 5 days to look like that, and that was me after one day, and I said, hold up. I don't think so. Whenever my hair gets like that, I know I need to deep condition because I ain't having it. Just because my life's a mess doesn't mean my hair has to be, you know? I'm gonna use this hooded dryer. So what you wanna do, that bad boy around your head. So what you want to do is tighten the strap. Get the strap. Tighten this. It comes with chin strap to secure it to your head so it doesn't fly off. Okay. Well, it comes with how to use card with it, and it says, for use with conditioning treatments after shampooing on towel dry hair. Hair should be wet, but not dripping. Apply conditioning treatment, attach hose to dryer, and place the bonnet over treated hair. Dry hair for approximately 15 minutes on low setting for maximum efficiency. Listen, you gotta be ugly before you're beautiful. Comes with a Velcro thing, so you just stick her in there. And make sure it's on there real tight, and then secure the strap. And then it should just blow up. I'm just gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, you know, and I'll be back in. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Take this bad boy off. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna rinse my hair and I will be right back. Alright, so I just rinsed it. My hair feels so much better. My curls have been nourished, they're moisturized, and it feels so much better. These are both one-day wash and goes. One was after a deep conditioner, one was before. You be the judge.
So today we are talking about a product that I am so excited to share with you all. It is this hair bonnet dryer from MBM Beauty. So in the bag it comes with 5 small and 5 large rollers. All you have to do is simply pop it out then that is what the hair rollers look like. And then of course the hair bonnet itself. The bonnet here is really large compared to the size of my head, as you can see, and that is so it is able to fit your hair with the curlers on in it. Long hair, thick hair, dreadlocks, any types of hair can fit inside of the bonnet here. And then it also comes with the extra large hose here, extra long, so you can multitask while you use it. This hair bonnet can be used for deep conditioning, hot oil treatments, drying out your dreadlocks, but today I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair with it. So let's get started. So my curls are done and they are perfect just the way I wanted them to be. I am so thankful for the hair bonnet. It saves me time, it saves me money. I no longer have to make trips to the salon. I love that it's also portable. I can just pack it back up in its little bag and I can take it to work or even on vacation, anywhere that I want to do my hair. I know that I can because I have my hair bonnet with me.
Last minute date? Relax. Or at least your hair can, because smooth, healthy waves are no problem with the Andis Bonnet Dryer. Its ionic technology dries hair faster at even heat, helps keep the frizz away, and retain moisture. With multiple settings, you can find the level that's right for your hair. Looks good. Gotta bounce.
Hey guys! I'm here today to talk to you about the Amniox Bonnet Hair Dryer attachment. I am so excited that it finally came in the mail. I've been wanting to use this for a while. It comes with an easy zip bag, pouch, and your bonnet hair dryer. So, we have a little attachment here. Can easily fit on any size dryer that you have. It also comes with a pack of 30 shower caps. I like to deep condition my hair, so I already washed my hair, threw in a conditioner, and I am ready to try this out. One more thing that it also comes with is a headband that you can use to protect your ears while drying. I'm not that sensitive to the heat, so I'm not going to use it, but it's there, and feel free to use it. Okay, so right here I'm just attaching it to the dryer, making some simple adjustments to the chin strap, and turning it on. But one thing I did not notice was that it had a drawstring, which helped with placement on my head. Once I got that adjustment down, it was easy. It's so easy to do other things while you're getting your hair done. I got a text message, I responded, checked my Facebook. It was so easy. And I'm like, you know what? Why don't I do my nails? So I pulled out my gel nail dryer, got my nail polish, and did my whole set of nails while I was waiting. Time to reveal. Blow dryer came off. My hair is done. Time to roll out the twist out. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Hi everyone, I'm back, and check out my hair. I am so happy with this product by Amniox, the blow dryer hair attachment. It did everything that it set out and everything that I thought it would do. I'm definitely not leaving without this. Every time I travel, this is going in the suitcase. Just the heat distribution is so even. My hair is dry all at the same time, and I have pretty thick hair, and it did such a good job. So like no wet spots anywhere. So if you're looking for a hair dryer attachment, this is definitely Amniox is something that you should try. I mean, so simple, hooks up to the end of your dryer. You couldn't ask for more.